In Gaza, hunger is a daily pain. Displacement steals safety, but hunger steals strength and hope. That's why we are here. Today, we at the Alkhidmat Foundation Pakistan team are preparing hot meals for the needy and displaced people in the north of Gaza Strip. Each meal we give, it brings warmth to the body and hope. Be part of the giving. Thank you, people of Karachi, Alkhidmat Foundation. Thank you, people of Jinnatown. Thank you, Mohsin Matin. Your support is highly appreciated. We believe that everything is gonna be okay, but this is only possible with your support and our efforts. We've just arrived to Shuhada al-Shati shelter in the north of Gaza Strip and ready to distribute the meals. With every meal, we say, you are not forgotten, you are not alone. Thanks a lot.